Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can actually navigate through the outline of our document after we just set the headers in the previous video. So let me give you guys a little bit more context. So if you missed our previous video, we went through our document here and we went ahead and applied headers or heading styles. So for heading 1, we used this heading option up here. If you come over to styles on your home tab, you have these out-of-the-box heading options that you can use. We went ahead and set heading 1 and heading 2. So heading 1 is obviously the primary heading. This is more of a subheading, and we just kind of alternated throughout the document here. Now that we have those in place, we can actually navigate to these different headers on our document. I didn't think it through in the previous video. I just put heading 1, heading 2. So I actually had to put a little number here in parentheses so we knew which headings that we were looking at. But once you have all of those in place using styles, and you have all your headers set up, if you hit Control F on your keyboard, and you come over here to headings, if it doesn't show it by default, if you come over here to headings, you can see you'll have all of the different headings displayed on your document. So you can see on my document, I have heading 1 and heading 2 with 1 underneath. So this is the primary heading, and then there's a subheading within it. If I go ahead and select any one of these, let's say we select heading 1, the second instance of it, you can see it automatically moves me down to my document. So this makes it really easy for you if you're trying to go ahead and at a glance see the structure of your document. You can come over here and just hit Control F, and you'll see all the different headings throughout your document here at a glance. So you're not having to scroll through the whole thing. And then if you wanted to go ahead and jump to one of those headings, all you got to do is click on it. Or one of those subheadings, you just have to click on it and it takes you right there. So that is one of the many benefits to setting up headings on your Microsoft Word document. And again, you can do that just by highlighting your heading on here, coming up to styles under your home tab, and then just selecting either heading 1 or heading 2, or creating your own heading. And then that'll actually show up for you here on your navigation.